So we got a piece of salmon right here. Yes, it is a real big piece. And I've already washed it. And when you get salmon, I run my fingers through it also, because every now and then you'll find a bone, but this one didn't have any bone. So you know, just run your fingers all the way through it, you know, just like so. And around the edges, because like I said, sometimes there's bones in it. So what I'm gonna do now, I've already washed, like I said, washed my salmon. And I'm about to put some lemon on it. So, and I wash my lemons too. Y'all wash your lemons, because they probably just take them straight off the trees. But now I'm just going to season my salmon. Put a little salt, a little pepper, a little onion powder. I basically use the same seasonings on everything. A little garlic powder. And a little bit lemon pepper. And some of you might be like, why are you putting that on there? You putting lemons? Well, I'm just now I'm just going to squeeze a lemon on there. Ain't much coming out, is it? And so I'm just going to cut this up. Either I got a bad knife, or this lemon is tough. We're just gonna put this on there. Take the lemon out. Look, there we go. Let me do one more. These lemons. What if I just cut one side first? Oh, that's the key. You just cut one side. See that? That's a big difference. And you just... Oh, and it aids in the cutting of the lemon. I learned something today. Don't cut both sides of the lemon. Alright, wash my hands. Anytime you mess with raw meat, make sure you wash your hands, ladies and gents. And what I'm going to do now is put my aluminum foil over it, like so. I have something already cooking in the oven. I do my meal prep for the week. Today is Sunday. But I'm going to go ahead and put my salmon in there, and we'll come back and let you see what it looks like. So there you have it. So let's cut into this and see if it's done. Which it is. Look at that. My Lord. So soft. And the skin is still on it. So what I usually do is scrape the skin off. Get a little plate. So there it is, real flaky. And it's done. I think it cooked for like an hour and 15 minutes. It was so thick. So yeah. And so I'll make fish tacos out of this and maybe some rice. And eat it with rice one day, maybe some fish tacos another day. So as you see, as big as it is, you got several meals. I'm gonna make me some lemonade. I've already washed these lemons. I have 6 lemons here. Just roll them to get the juice ready.
No.
This one's a little hard. I should cook this a little bit more, huh? Yeah. Squeeze that lemon in there.
No. No. No.
There's a lot of juice coming out of that. That's a hard one. I don't think it's not too juicy. Oh yeah, that thing's hard. I don't like as much coming out of this one either. There we go. Maybe. There we go. Sometimes you gotta hit the longest way. So that's like I think a gallon. I'm gonna put my sugar in there.
Yeah.
That was 2 cups of sugar. Now we're going to add our water. No, I'm not wasting water. I got a pot that's catching the water as I pour this. So I don't want nobody to think I'm wasting water, being wasteful. Let's get us a spoon. Ooh, I should have used some hot water or warm water, because the sugar got a little. So what I'm doing now is putting a little lemon juice in it. Is this artificial lemon juice? Alright. And you want some lemonade. And so I'm going to stir that up. And I probably put a little too much water in there. So let's dip some of that out. Because I got to put my lemons in there. I wasn't thinking. Lay that to the side there. We're going to put our lemons in there. Let's get us a big spoon and we're going to try this out to see what it tastes like. Oh, that's good. Some people may want it a little sweeter, but I don't like real sweet stuff. But that tastes pretty good to me. So I'm just going to put that in the fridge and let it chill. And there you go, some homemade lemonade. Oh, y'all, this says from concentrate, so I guess it's not all lemon. But anyway, still going to drink it. Have a good night. Thanks for watching.